Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome for the first time. Today I have a Big Lots haul. Not a huge one, just a couple of bags here. I went just to see if they had any new food items out. They had a couple of things, so I will jump right in. First off, when you very first walk into the door at our store, they have like their fall display up with their food. So they have pumpkin spice seasoning for $1 for a 2.5 ounce container. So I picked up 2 of these to use in our baking. This is a little bit pricey, but my daughter has never had pumpkin butter before. So this is Kaufman's Fruit Farm Market pumpkin butter. And it says all natural, non-GMO. So this is a 17 ounce jar of it. It was $3.99. And I am excited for her to try that. I'm going to bake some homemade bread or rolls. I'm not sure which yet. And then we will have some pumpkin butter on it, maybe for breakfast or something. The Werther's caramels are my daughter's favorite, and every year when they have the pumpkin spice, I have to pick them up for her. Now, last year I did find them at Dollar Tree. I will still look and see if they get them in too, but they are the little tiny bags. This one is a 8.57 ounce bag. This was $3.95, and they did also have the chewy caramels like this, the soft caramels, and they had those in the caramel apple flavor also. So then I picked up, well, we'll get through the food first. So then I picked up another thing of the Palermo avocado oil. It's 100% pure avocado oil, 16.9 fluid ounce. It is $4.95. So far, that is the cheapest that I have found it at any of my stores, especially for this big of a bottle. Even Aldi is like $7.99 for it right now. Then I picked up 2 packages of this La Molesana, probably mispronounced that, fettuccine number 5. I don't know why that reminds me of like Chanel number 5. It's fettuccine number 5. So that was $1 a piece for a 1 pound package. It says it is a product of Italy. Then my daughter found these Warheads sour body parts for $1. She wanted to try those, so I picked her up a package of those. They are 3.75 ounce for $1. And then she needed some more toothpaste. She uses the Kids Crest cavity protection. I think this was $2 or just under $2. Then my grandmother needed some hairspray. She's wanting to try to curl her hair, and she finally ran out of this hairspray that I bought her like 2 years ago. So it lasted a while. So she picked this one up today at Big Lots. This is Rave brand. It says 4 times mega. Now with ClimaShield for extra humidity protection, which if you have anybody in your life who has curly hair, I'm sure you've had them complain about the humidity and it frizzing out their hair. My daughter and my grandmother both have curly hair. So this is unscented hairspray. It says long-lasting, firm style control. And this is a 11 ounce can, and it was $2 even. And the last things that I picked up from there, so if you saw my Big Lots haul video before, I hauled some Christmas Airwick diffusers. Today they had a diffuser that comes with the scented oil. This was $3. So I picked up 2 more. I had 2 already, so I will have 1 for each of my bathrooms. My daughter wants 1 in her toy room, and then 1 for my living room. So it comes with the apple cinnamon. And then I picked up a big package of apple cinnamon oil just to refill all 4 of the diffusers. 5 count of this was $9.99. And that was it for Big Lots. Like I said, they didn't have a whole lot, but I did find a handful of things that were a pretty good deal. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. Let me know what good finds you make at your Big Lots if you shop there in the comments down below. And if you enjoy our content on our channel, please consider hitting the subscribe button. That helps us get our videos out to more people so that more people can watch. And we will see you guys in our next one. Thank you.